Hello, welcome to the next video on search engine optimization techniques. The second technique of on-page SEO is keyword placement. We have already discussed at length that what are keywords and how to identify various keywords using different keyword planner tools. And I hope by the time you are comfortable how to prepare a list of various keywords. Now let us see what are the other places where keywords are placed, and these are meta tags, heading, text, domain name, URL optimizer, and alt text. Let us discuss them one by one. First is meta tags. What are meta tags? In non-technical language, meta tags are snippet of text that describes the page content. Further, meta tags are also words that are hidden in your code. People browsing your site will not just be able to see these meta tags. It's a legal way of hiding the words in your web pages for search engines. Meta tags help crawlers to understand your page better, and they collect very important information with the help of meta tags. Therefore, it is must to include meta tag in your web page. Include relevant keywords in these tags. Tags are written in HTML language with a specific format. Let us discuss various types of meta tags important for SEO point of view. The first is title tag. Title tags are used by search engine to identify the subject of the page. That means we should carefully select the words for title of your web page and place relevant keywords in the title. The HTML format of the title head is like this. The title tag play another significant role when it comes to the selection of your website by the user from various results, because your title is displayed in the search results. That means it's not just putting the keywords in the title, you also look for very attractive title for your website. But don't stuff your title tag with so many keywords. It should look like natural title. Just search for the phrase "How to be happy in a life" in Google. We have few results in SERP with some titles like "How to be happy, 23 ways to be happier, psychology today." "How to be happy with your life, 15 steps," and so on. All titles are shown here because these websites have used the title tag in HTML code. Let me show you for this website. To check it, we have to go to View to the page source. Right click anywhere in the site and select View page source. This is the code of the website, and under header section you can see the title tag is here. Exactly the same that is appearing in the Google search results. Now the question is how to insert title tag. It's very simple. You need not to do anything in the first instance. Whatever will be the title of your page or post in the WordPress, that will be automatically converted to the title tag. Let me show you. Go to WordPress dashboard, add new page. Here is the space for title. Enter any title like what is the title tag. Let me show you the title tag now. Yes, it has been converted to the title tag here. What should I do if I want to customize the title tag? I will use one plugin for this purpose. Just wait for that. Next we have description tag. Meta description tag is short paragraph about the web page written in HTML language. It usually appears next to the title in the search result as snippet. It plays a very significant role when it comes to the selection of your page by the users from search results, because before clicking the search results, we quickly read the description or snippet of that result. Therefore, it is important to include description tag in a web page and appropriate keyword should be used. As a rule, description should be very crispy, highlighting the main features or points discussed in a web page. Let me show you. I have just searched for buy smart TV online. Various results appeared in this result page. For this very result, this is the snippet and has been created with the help of description title. Let us check it on a page source. Yes, it is there under description title. This is HTML version of description tag. How to create description tag, I will discuss with the help of plugin. The third important tag is keyword meta tag. Keyword tag is usually used to include 8 to 9 important keywords describing your web page. The role of keyword in SEO ranking is debatable. However, it is always good to have keyword tag in your web page. The HTML version of meta keyword tag is. Therefore, from SEO point of view, include important keywords in meta keyword tag. Let me show you how to identify keyword tag in any website or in a site of your competitors. Open any website, go to page source and search for keyword. For this website, you can see this is the keyword tag. Here are various keywords like official website of Punjab University, India, Chandigarh University, Punjab University, and so on. Again, we will use one plugin to include the keyword tag in our website. We have discussed about 3 important meta tags: the title tag, description tag, and keyword tag. All these 3 tags are very important from search engine optimization point of view. However, there are many other tags as well which we can use for search engine optimization. I will discuss about those tags in a while. You must be wondering that you don't know about HTML language. Then how can you add the meta tags to your websites? Relax. Nothing is impossible. I will explain in module number 13 that how to add various meta tags to our website even when we don't know about HTML language. And I will discuss these points with the help of one of the most popular plugins.